everyone, we're back to do some more Heggerty exercises. Let's go ahead and start with some rhyming. I'm going to say the words and then I'm going to point to you and you repeat them after me. Dark, park. Yeah. Flower, power. Brain, train. Slim, rim. Joy, boy. Long, song. Slick, trick. Tree, bee. Bump, jump. Thick, brick. Nice job! You're doing great. I hope you're feeling more comfortable with these because we've been practicing a lot and I'm sure you are doing a fantastic job. All right, I'm going to say a word. You are going to repeat the word and then we are going to say the sound that we hear at the beginning of the word. Here we go. Baby. B. Color. K. Dad. D. 5. Gum. G. Hair. Juice. J. Kiss. K. Light. L. Milk. Nice work. Okay, let's blend some words to make compound words. I will say the two smaller words, you will repeat them, and then we will clap them to put them into one compound word. Here we go. Bed, time, bedtime. Cook, book. Cookbook. Lip, stick. Lipstick. Pony, tail. Ponytail. Under, shirt. Undershirt. Snow, flake. Snowflake. Foot, steps. Footsteps. Tooth, ache. Toothache. Note, book. Notebook. Good work. Okay, let's say some words. I'm going to say the word. You are going to repeat the word. And then we're going to say the sound we hear at the end of the word. Okay, here we go. Mail. Ooh. Home. Fun. Skip. Mad. D. Hot. T. Cave. V. Freeze. Z. Rub. B. Miss. S. You're doing great. Awesome job. Okay, now we're going to segment some words. So I'm going to say the word and then you will repeat it and then we will break it into two smaller words. We'll break it apart. Here we go. The word is sunlight. Sun, light. The word is downtown. Down, town. The word is headache. Head, ache. The word is Sunday. Sun, day. The word is workout. Work, out. The word is playroom. Play, room. The word is doorway. Doorway. The word is spaceship. Spaceship. The word is anytime. Anytime. The word is everywhere. Everywhere. Nice job. All right, let's do some word substitution. I'm going to say a word, and then we are going to replace the beginning part of the word. So remember, when I say the word is baseball, then you repeat baseball. Here we go. The word is baseball. Change base to foot. Football. The word is football. Change foot to snow. Snowball. The word is snowball. Change snow to gum. Gumball. The word is gumball. Change gum to kick. Kickball. The word is kickball. Change kick to base. Baseball. Nice job. Okay, we're almost done. A couple more things. Okay, so we're going to add a part to the beginning of a word. So I'm going to say a word, and then we will add another to the beginning. So the word is time. Add bed to the beginning. Bedtime. The word is time. Add night to the beginning. Nighttime. The word is time. Add any to the beginning. Anytime. The word is time. Add some to the beginning. Sometime. The word is time. Add day to the beginning. Daytime. Good job. Okay, let's do some word deletion. I will say the word and then we will take away the ending part, okay? So the word is birthday. Without the day, the word is birth. The word is Sunday. Without the sun, the word is day. Sorry, that wasn't the part that I messed that part up. Okay, let's try that again. The word is Sunday. Without the day, the word is sun. There we go. The word is every day. Without the day, the word is every. The word is someday. Without the day, the word is some. The word is weekday. Without the day, the word is week. Good job. All right. See, even teachers make mistakes too. Even grown-ups do. It happens. Okay, so now we're going to count words in a sentence. I'm going to say the sentence, and you're going to say it back to yourself, counting how many words, okay? Here we go. Do you like ice cream? How many words was that? 5. I love ice cream. He likes to paint. Okay, how many words was that? 4. Good job. We sing. How many words? 2. The dog sleeps. How many words? 3. My bike goes fast too. That's a longer one. How many words was that? 5. My bike goes fast too. All right. Is it lunchtime yet? 5 again. Okay, last one. I like snow. 3. Great job. Like I said, I hope you're feeling more comfortable with it. We're going to keep practicing. Doing these exercises are definitely going to make us better readers and better writers. So it's super important that we just keep practicing and do our best. I'll see you later.